In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Captions Lite app. So if you want to get the latest version of Captions Lite app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to the channel. It really helps me. So to get started, just go ahead and open Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or App Store if you are on an iPhone. So for my case, I'm using Android smartphone, so I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store. Now from here, proceed and look for the app by searching it. And you can see Captions Lite is here. Proceed and tap on it, and then you will see we shall have an option called Update here. And that is if you are using an outdated version of Captions Lite. For my case, you can see I don't have it. It means I'm already using an up-to-date app. So if you have an option to update, proceed and tap on Update. Then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Captions Lite app and then install it on your smartphone. Once that is done, now you can proceed and tap on it to open. Now by updating this app, you'll get to fix most of the bugs, and also you'll get to use a more secure and an app with the latest features. So that's how you update your Captions Lite app on your Android smartphone or on your iPhone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and please watch the next video.